Hello everyone, welcome to the Cmallforhappylfe channel. The snake knot is a common type of knot widely used in crafts for making bracelets, necklaces, and various decorative projects. How to tie a snake knot? Prepare 2 cords. Typically, a snake knot requires 2 cords. Cross the cords. Place one cord over the other to form a simple cross. Take the top cord and wrap it behind the bottom cord, then thread it back through to form a loop. Pull the ends tight and repeat the above steps until you reach the desired length. The tightness of the snake knot can be adjusted as needed, making it very suitable for use as the base of a bracelet or necklace, as well as for decorating keychains or pet collars. It is relatively easy to learn and master, making it a great choice for beginners in knotting. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me in making more great DIY videos.